Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another hair video, and today's wig is from Hairvivi, and I'm working with this highlighted wig. As you guys can see, I'm so in love with the hair color. It came pre-plucked, it came pre-bleached, and literally all I had to do was just to cut the lace and use some hairspray on the sides of the wig. I'm going to zoom all the way in so you guys can see what the lace actually looks like. The lace is so seamless and very undetectable, and guys, look, it's not even glued down. You can see how good the lace is. I'll make sure to list all the links and info that you guys need on this wig in the description bar below, and I'll see you guys in my next one. I'm just gonna go ahead and install the wig. The wig came pre-plucked, it came pre-bleached, so I really don't need to do anything to this wig aside from cut the lace and install the wig. So this literally looks like my skin, but that's the lace right there, as you can see. I'm telling you, when it comes to Hairvivi, I feel like they just get everything right, from the construction to the hairline to the lace. Everything is just on point. Literally, the wig comes ready for you to install and go. And so now I'm literally only going to spray down the sides just so they can stay down. And I'm not going to spray the middle, just so you guys can see how seamless the lace really is. Like, it's so undetectable. I feel like if not for the sides flipping up, this would literally be perfect. I'm actually going to apply my foundation on this side of the lace. See how much that looks so much better. Actually, I'm going to apply my foundation all around the hairline. And I think here I'll just apply it on top. Oh, this looks so good. As usual, I'm going to go in with my bedhead spray. So yeah, this is what the hairline looks like. It looks really good, and like I said, the center of the wig is not glued down. That's just to show you how thin the lace is. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and style. I'm gonna apply my Crown Beauty wax stick and use my hot comb. The hair came pre-styled, so I'm probably just gonna have it as it is already. I feel like that literally took about 10 minutes or less for me to install and style, and that's one thing I really like about Hairvivi. The wigs are just so easy to work with, very easy to install. They literally do majority of the work for you, and then all you have to do is just to, you know, cut the lace and you're good to go. And the hair came pre-styled as well, like I said, so I really don't need to do anything to this wig. I'm so happy with this. And the other thing I really like about their wigs as well is that they actually have good parting space. They're not like other companies that, you know, as you can see, and the parting in the middle goes all the way to the back. Like, you have good enough parting space to work with. So I'll make sure to put all the information you need on this wig in the description bar below, so please make sure you check below for anything you'd like to know, and I'll see you guys in my next one. I absolutely love this wig.